Welcome back to Bird TV. Thanks for stopping in. It's been a while. We're coming to you live from Bingo Bar Studios. And we have an exclusive, that's right, an exclusive interview. Skip Seamans sat down with David Habib, co-owner of the Louisiana Lifwa Heads. Let's take a look at the interview.
Skip Seamans here, and before we get started, I'd like to thank Brian and Bird TV for this exciting opportunity. Tonight we bring to you live an exclusive interview with co-owner of the Louisiana Lifwa Heads, Mr. David Habib. David,
thank you, sir.
Thank you for granting us this interview. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, on the show. Appreciate it. Thank you.
David, we're 3 games into the 09 season, and yet Louisiana sits atop the division at 2-1. How's it feel?
Feels great to take over a nice division again, to be on top after taking over from the Seabrook Assassins.
Now, is there any concern with the fact that Felix Jones may be hobbled and out of the lineup until week 7 or so for Louisiana?
It's always a concern when one of your star running backs goes down or has a problem with his ankle. You know, it's tough. You gotta take these into consideration when you
Another news, Louisiana recently made news with a big deal. They traded Eddie Royal for Dirty Sanchez, as well as Sidney Rice, a 2nd rounder and a 3rd rounder. When the offer was originally made, was it a deal that you were looking to do right away, or did you need some time?
Well, like always, Skip, with a good trade, we always want to have a little bit of time to think it over. Let's see what your options are.
Now, at the point that when the decision was made to go ahead and pull the trigger, was it something that you had to necessarily sell your co-owner Matt Grandpré on, or did he have to sell you on the deal? How did that kind of shake out, or was it just mutual?
No, it was a mutual trade. We both,
I want to tease your brain for a moment and just ask you a question on the side. And I don't expect you to know the answer, it's a rhetorical question, but if you were to guess the leading scorer running back wise on Seabrook Assassins through week 3, who would you guess that player is?
McFadden.
It's Ricky Williams, if you can believe that. He's outpointing Mike Turner. It's only by 0.1, but it's kind of surprising. Would you know who the top 2 leading wide receiving scorers are on Seabrook through week 3?
Steve Smith.
It's I don't expect you to know. I don't think anyone would know, but it's Patrick Creighton and Michael Sims Walker.
Congratulations.
Isn't that funny? It's not really helping. Seabrook's 0-3, but
that's nice.
Yeah, it's.
Let's see what happens.
It's one of those funny facts you run across from time to time.
Hey, you know what they say, win some, you lose some.
In one word, because we don't have much time, but in one word, how would you characterize trade talks with GM Ryan Bowman of Springfield? One word.
Shady.
Shady. Well, before we go any further, I do want to take the time to thank our sponsor. It happens to be Busch Light. Busch Light is a 12-ounce can of beer that is great tasting and easy drinking as well. You can get it at New Hampshire package stores for $14.99, but if you go the extra mile, you hit Market Basket, maybe Shaw's. You can get a 30-pack of these 12-ounce killers for $13.99, which the math will tell you is under 50 cents a beer for something that certainly quenches the thirst.
That reminds me of when we were in high school with the Busch Lights.
With that said, Bibbs, thank you. With that said,
ha ha!
But please continue. My apologies.
No, please skip.
It's prediction time.
Please take over.
Week 4, Louisiana Homestead. Who do you got?
Louisiana Homestead. Well, anything's possible. You never know. Week by week. But stats-wise, on paper, you know, Homestead's got us beat, but you never know what'll happen. It's 5 weeks. Anything can happen. People can get hurt. Accidents can happen. You never know. We'll have to see what happens.
Undecided?
No, I'm not undecided.
I'm confused. Did you pick a second?
Are you confused? Well, of course, Louisiana, if all things play out.
All things play out. And how about the Big Pats Baltimore game? I want a winner and I want a score.
You gotta go with the Pats.
Score?
No, it's gonna be a high-scoring game. Patriots, 31. Baltimore, 21.
Is that lead pipe?
That's solid.
I love it. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bird TV. This
my
is Skip
pleasure.
Seamans of the MVFFL signing off. Good night,
Thank you, Bird TV.
Wherever you are.
Good night.
Wow, that was good stuff.
Powerful stuff. We'd like to thank Skip Seamans and David Habib for giving Bird TV the exclusive rights for that interview. Our top story here on the eve of the Week 4 of MVFFL is do or die. There are a lot of teams tomorrow that are in a do or die situation. Thunder Bay, SoCal, Vieques, Bongsville, Hick Lane, San Fran, Seabrook, Tally, all need to win. They're in must-win situations, pretty much. And we're going to be looking forward to the results. You'd have to say tomorrow's top game is Vieques versus Thunder Bay. There's a little bit of rivalry there, a little bit of bad blood. So we'll be looking forward to that matchup. Good luck to all teams. We'll see you next time here on Bird TV. Thanks for stopping in.